that good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I am doing a mukbang, whatever you want to call it. But today I just want to talk to you guys about some updates on my plans about Forex. So, and plus I'm hungry. This is really random. Like, I just decided to get the camera out, get my lights out, and get it popping. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started because I'm hungry. I got my little handy dandy napkin. Put that right there because the B is very messy and I don't got time. I don't know why I put this white shirt on. I don't know. But let me show you what I got. Okay, so I tried something different today. I got a Italian sausage with jalapenos. Yeah, I went there. It don't look that good, but we gonna see. The freaking delivery guy took a whole hour and some change, and I live up the street from DOMINO'S. Like, why you take so long? Okay, anywho. I also got some chicken, which is not the chicken I ordered. I ordered some hot wings, but I'm still gonna eat this chicken. I'm still gonna eat it. But I'm not sure what it is. But it's like some type of cheesy chicken. I'm not sure what it is. At that moment, I knew that was the best messed up order I ever had. Literally. Hold on. I'm hot. That was good. That was good. Oh my goodness. Like, I need another one. But let me go ahead and get started. Okay. So, this week was way better than last week. I'm just start off like that. This week was way better than last week. Although, I did take a loss. But I knew the reason why I lost. Which is the best thing. It's key. You gotta understand why you win and why you lose. I don't win every trade. I wish though. One of these days, I'm gonna be 90%, okay? Let me calm down on this chicken. Let me calm down. I need some water. I'll be back. I am back. This is some Sam's Choice purified water. If you wanna know, my favorite water is Desio water? Yeah, I love some Desio. That was needed. Okay, so, yeah, I took a loss. What pair was this? UJ, I made money on you, but I lost it all. You want to know why? You guys want to know why? It was greed. It was because of greed that I lost, because I was in really good profit, and the fact that I didn't look at the whole picture and I was playing like third level, which is not good, and I was trying to go for the full amount of pips that I always go for, and that was a no-go because as soon as it got close to my, what kind of voice is that? What kind of voice is that? Anyway, as soon as it got to my close to my take profit, it reversed. But luckily, I have a correct stop loss where I don't lose my whole account. So I end up getting out that trade and losing some money, not a lot, because risk management, baby. I got it on point. That's really hitting. What is this, Parmesan? Let me throw some Parmesan on this one real quick. But yeah, I learned that lesson. I need to look at the whole picture. I don't know why I wasn't looking at the whole picture. Maybe because I didn't zoom out enough. That could be the main reason, because I did my analysis the night before, but I wasn't paying attention on the 15-minute where how close the blueberry was. You probably don't know what the blueberry is. It's the 800 EMA. It was really close to that blueberry, so I already knew after the fact that it was not, I mean, it was a good trade, but I should have went for less pips, way less pips than what I was going for. But needless to say, I'm over it. I took my loss. I'm okay with it. I wrote it down in my journal. Are you journaling still? You guys, you need to journal. Why aren't you journaling? I might need to buy a new journal, because that journal was kind of filling up pretty fast. Because I like to journal almost every day, just because I can keep track of everything, because my memory is just so trash. So journaling helps me look back on all my mistakes, all my wins, and tells me like what happened, what did I do wrong, what did I do right, so I can keep doing right, you know. So I put that incident in my journal. After reading over it, I feel like it's really good for me to learn like from my losses. Definitely learn from your losses. Don't take your losses as L's, even though it is an L. Don't take it as an L, take it as a lesson. Yeah. But yeah, what I want to do is, I'm ready to deposit more money in my account. I'm ready to deposit more money in my account. That stuff's spicy. But yeah, I'm not gonna tell y'all how much, because y'all don't need to know what's in my bank account or my trading account. Y'all need to know that information. Like, I get DMs, people asking me, so how much you make? How much is in your bank account? Like, girl, am I stupid? I don't want you to know, or my friends to know, or my family to know how much I have in my bank account. That is just dumb. I'm not doing it. Let me get back to this chicken, baby. I don't know what this is, so I ain't order it, but it's like a little cheesy chicken nugget. Cheesy chicken nugget. But the reason I want to put more money in is because I think it's about that time for me to start making more money. See, the key with FOREX, you can make a lot of money, but you have to risk a lot of money. And if you have a bigger account, the more money you can make. So I think soon I will be increasing my account size, so I can go ahead and start making these Benjamins, baby. These Benjamins, baby. Yes. But other than that, everything has been really good. I know that you guys want more videos from me. Like I say, just give me ideas on what you guys want to see, because like, I don't know what you guys want to hear. Like, I just come up with stuff all the time, but I want to know what you guys want to see, you know? So let me know what you want to see. Excuse me. Okay, back to business. It's not that hot, but it's hot, okay? Apartment tour is coming soon. I know y'all see my couch. It's soft, it's nice. It's real good. Real luxury. Let me stop. I forgot all about my ranch. Hold on. Hope it's good ranch, because you know, you can't be trusting everybody's ranch. Smells okay. Apartment tour coming soon. I'm just trying to like make sure I have not exactly what I want, because it's not gonna be completely finished. So I'm always gonna want to add stuff or you know, make things better. But right now I'm just, you know, filling in the last touches. So please be patient with me. Apartment tour is coming soon, okay? It's coming very soon. By the way, I want to apologize for my appearance. I look kind of busted and crusted. Just got off of work. Leave me alone. I just want to sit here and talk to you guys. you guys some updates. I mean, it's nothing like really big has been going on, but to give you guys some intel. I want to travel. Like, I'm so ready to get out of Springfield. And like, I don't want to go travel to like a beach or anything like that. It's just so basic. So basic. I'm trying to go to Dubai. I'm trying to go to where I'm trying to go. Africa, Nigeria, somewhere exotic. I'm making a mess. I'm ready to live my life. Guys, I am so ready to live my life. For real. But I gotta stay patient. So you guys, it decided to start pouring down for some odd reason. I kid you not. It was blazing outside. It was about 90 degrees. Sun giving no mercy at all. And now it's pouring down. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed my mukbang or mukbang. If you guys like videos like this, like a little sit down talk video while I eat. I love eating, I love talking, so this is just amazeballs to me, okay? But without further ado, I'll be seeing you guys very soon. Do not forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And do not forget to hit that bell for notifications so you won't get... Don't spill. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on nothing. I'm telling you. Hit that bell. And I'll be seeing you guys very soon.